People, Shenseea went live, you know what I mean? It was unexpected, but yes, she went live and she said she basically have to face her fear of coming on Instagram because she and her mother have a lot of memories on Instagram, so she just a try to like just face her fear and come and she talk to the people them and tell everybody what really go on with her mother. You see me? No people more good now warning now. You see, this is gonna be very sad. Like we're not going up crying and them thing there. So me I say. So you know prepare for that because this is very sad when just watching her and listening to her and just knowing what really happened, you know what I mean, and hear how it go for yourself, it a gonna make you cry. You see me? Well, overall, man, I go say she had her best, or she had take it like a champ of any kind of sort, but I feel like she had the good, and she as well feel like she had the better than when it just happened, because she said she went to go visit her mother in at the funeral home yesterday, and it's like she break down, but because she had people around her to support her, she kind of hold it, you know what I mean? And she says she wanted to be there by herself, but it didn't work out that way. And apparently there were people singing her songs and thing, you know, cheer her up and these things. So it looked like a disarray you know, we're all grief in a different way. If you have people around her and these things. You know, she talk about a lot of things. She talk about the fact that she was going to do a lot for her mother and she just started to do it. You know, she moved her in with her. And even though her mother was like complaining all the time, like feeling pain or nothing, she never really take it as nothing. Yeah, so I say, people like me say it, I gonna make you cry, but I gonna play the video so you can hear what she has to for yourself. Alright, so here goes the video.
You know, I spoke to some people and we have decided that I should tell you guys that what happened, because I feel like even though a lot of you haven't, well, did not get the chance to, you know, like meet my mom personally, I felt like I shared enough memories of her with you guys, like how my family is. And so, yeah, we decided to tell you guys. So, on Tuesday, my mom, like, she was with a family member. And I don't know, I'm not like sure of what really happened, but she had a mild stroke and then a heart attack after. And the family member that was with her, they revived her back and she came back to life. And then we admitted her in the hospital. And I went there to see her. She was troubled with hypertension as well. I went to see her, and you know, she was saying that she's feeling a bit weak and all of that. So they transferred her to the ward and they run some tests on her. And then, you know, I went back on Wednesday to see her. I let her family member see her first because we were only allowed one visitor. I let my family member see her first, and then, you know, I'm try sneak in after, because I say, yo, I have to see my mother, like, I don't know. And honestly, I didn't feel like she was going to die, to be honest. That I did not know, right? So I saw her and everything. I spent 2 hours with her after we did a test. I watched them do the test, and she had one of her valves were leaking on her heart. And I heard that she had this problem for a long time. Like, you know, sometimes when people talk and them say, oh, you know, I feel tired or my heart or whatever, you know, sometimes it kind of just blow over your head. Isn't it? Because really and truly, my mom, as you all saw, she's really vibrant and she's up and about. She's always freaking working. Even my daughter said, Mommy, you really not have to stress out yourself. Me deal with everything. And to be honest, I just don't feel like I lost my mom alone. I felt like I lost one of a kid. You get me? Because I really had a lot of plans on my mother, and I really was doing my best to take care of her. You get me? So remember, I move her in with me and everything. So I tell you, brother. And then after I spend the 2 hours with her, that same night, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna tell her, I say, Mommy, I love you. And your procedure gonna be good. Because she was supposed to do, a surgery to see if they could stop the leaking on her valve. And she was stable and everything when I left. Even the doctors told me that, yo, make we take care of your mother. Me I say, yo, because them say me that me ask her everything, like what you want. You want banana, mango, any little thing, just tell me. So till them I say, yo, just relax. Like we take care of your mother, you get me? And the night, Wednesday night, I start get a panic attack, me I tell you. Like, when I got blackout. I said, what the fuck? Like, what happened? I'm gonna calm down myself because I message somebody and I tell them, say, yo, I feel that I have a panic attack. Like, my heart a beat really, really, really fast. And them never answer. I say, alright, I gotta try calm down myself, man. Calm down myself. And I did. And right as I calm down myself, I got a call say, yo, my mother unresponsive. And we went to the hospital. And my witness, them really are trying to bring my mother back to life. Until the doctor hold me up, because I can't believe say my mother that missing. I try to pull myself together and I say, no, mommy. No. You can't. No. No, sir. No. Me not believe, say. I stay there and I watch them for over 7 minutes. I'm trying to resuscitate my mother. For over 7 minutes. My mother dead for and then leave the room and she get a pulse. Them get a pulse. I didn't even see her. I just run downstairs because I say, yes, them I got transfer her now. I'm going to do the procedure right now. I'm going to downstairs and I wait for leave. And I say, yo, how they not come down with my mother yet? I'm going to say, no, something wrong. I'm going to go back up. I'm going to watch them again for over 20 minutes. I try to bring her back again. I went to see her again yesterday, her body at the home. And I wish I had privacy, but I didn't. And I was really glad for that because when I saw her again, I broke down again. And the fact that I heard my Shenseea singing my songs, it really, really did cheer me up. And I just want to thank everybody that was there yesterday that did that for me because it really helped me a lot. It really helped me a lot when you guys started doing that. I felt so much better to know that had the support, even though I didn't meet a lot of you guys and I didn't know you guys, and you were still there supporting me. I really want to thank you guys. I want to thank all the DJs. I hear some of you, like paying tributes to me and to my mom, and I hear you guys supporting in the best way that you can. I just want to big up Zip as well. I heard a lot, when I was on the road, because I'm really trying to distract myself, and I feel like I'm the type of person, as you can see, I just surround myself with mostly of my team members and my family and my close friends. Like, I really don't go out of that. And now I feel like the best thing for me is to just be around people.